What's up, YouTube? So I'm doing this custom pantry, installing some cabinets, and I got this big one to do, and we're gonna be countertop along here. So there's this cabinet here gonna basically be right in the spot where my plug is. So one easier way we can do, instead of doing all the measurements, you can do that as well. But just in case you're a little bit off, if you do have a laser, which is a big plus, you can, what I normally do, I put a tape over here outside where the cabinet's gonna be, and also on the floor, and I transfer my line along here and on the floor. So when I turn my laser off or move my laser out of the way, the cabinet goes in place. When the cabinet goes back into place, I turn my laser on, and that lines up exactly where, but the mark will let me know where to put my line, and then basically cut it out. Just gotta remember to make sure your plug is on your left or your right, whatever hand. I work from my left to my right, so I normally put my laser in my bottom left. So anyways, a little tip for you. I'm gonna cut this out and then basically show you so what it looks like. All right, guys, so I'm back, all cut. Sorry, my cut is actually terrible. I don't know if I cut with a grinder or a isolating tool. Sometimes I can get out of control, but it's cut. They can cover that. Overcut, I would do some putty and repaint, but anyways, looking good. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.